dropped something. I hope that piece wasn't important. You really went completely to pieces there. Was that really the best you could do? We must be very quiet now. I still feel so empty. We are a perfect paragon of pleasing.
We are a perfect paragon of perilous.
Now I have you all to myself. We can hear you.
We can smell you.
I only wish this party had made me feel better. I must be made whole. No more. Now it's my turn to play take apart and put back together. It is missing. What was that dropped off me now? I know I put that piece somewhere. Just be still. See? I can be put back together again. I am now so many pieces of people, all making me the fox I am today. No! Not another piece! I know it's been a long time, but don't you think the wait was worth it? Sorry I was late to the party. I'm so glad to be here, you know. It will all be over soon. So very, very soon. There now. This won't hurt at all.
There now. This will hurt a lot.
We're going to have such terrible, wonderful fun. I really thought you would look a lot happier to see me. I don't regret the experiences that have led me to be the fox that I am. Now, wasn't that worth the wait? Not again. I must find the piece. No, not again. What dropped off me now? Now. I've seen better days, but I know you won't let me down. I know they said I couldn't be put back together, but see how wrong they were? Where is it? Why, just staying in one piece feels like a full-time job. Well, hello there, stranger.
Well, hello there, victim.
Why are you looking so scared? Don't you want to be like me? It's like I say, you can't keep a good fox apart. Where did that piece go? So many friends, so little time.
So many pieces of friends.
This almost makes us yearn for the days of the Kids' Cove.
Never again. Never, never, ever, never.
After all this is over, don't be a stranger. I must find it! You don't seem very happy to see us.
Perhaps it was something we said.
Another piece gone. I must find myself. Why was I made only to fall apart like this? Don't tell anyone. But they're all just jealous of how pretty I am.